Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong for beginners. Mahjong is a fascinating tile-based game, traditionally enjoyed by 4 players, though variations exist for 3. You'll be working with a set of 144 tiles, which are divided into suits, honor tiles, and bonus tiles like flowers and seasons. Your primary objective is to be the first to assemble a winning hand, which typically consists of 4 sets and 1 pair. Let's dive into the fundamentals to get you started. Let's explore the tiles you'll be using. The 3 main suits are bamboos, characters, and dots, each numbered 1 through 9 with 4 identical copies. Then we have the honor tiles, the 3 dragons, red, green, and white, and the 4 winds, east, south, west, and north. Finally, there are 8 bonus tiles, 4 flowers, and 4 seasons, which add excitement and scoring opportunities. Understanding these tiles is your first step to mastering Mahjong. Setting up the game is straightforward. Each of the 4 players builds a wall of tiles, 18 tiles long and 2 tiles high, totaling 36 tiles per wall. The dealer then breaks the wall and deals 13 tiles to each player, with the dealer receiving an extra 14th tile. Gameplay proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you'll draw a new tile from the wall, and then you must discard 1 tile, aiming to improve your hand towards a winning combination. The ultimate goal is to form a winning Mahjong hand. This typically involves 4 sets and 1 pair. A pung is a set of 3 identical tiles, for example, 3-7 of bamboos. A chow is a sequence of 3 tiles of the same suit, like a 1-2-3 of characters. You can only form chows with suit tiles. Once you have successfully assembled 4 pungs or chows or a combination, and 1 pair, you declare Mahjong and win.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.